guys, Brian Serrano here, and today, right now, it's just snowing badly where I live. I mean, just really. Look at it. I'm just seriously. It's a blizzard out here where I live. Today and yesterday. And it was just terrible. Terrible. I can't believe that just happened. Well, I'm back. And today I'm doing a new schedule for my YouTube videos. And yeah, I'm doing a new schedule for my YouTube videos. Yeah, you guys might be wondering, why would I upload a video on Tuesday? Well, anyways, never mind. I'm just kidding. Okay, well, I'm going to say right now is that I haven't uploaded. And ever since like that the other month. But I will today. Since today the blizzard was on and no school. And you might be wondering, what time is it? And look at the time, 12 p.m. And yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm pretty much doing. Just making videos today. But my new schedule is on these 4 days. If I had no school on these days, I would be able to, like, for example, if I'm not at school on Tuesday,